One of the predictions of climate change is that some of these storms will be more intense and they may occur more frequently. When Hurricane Michael passed about 5 miles to the northwest of the property, we experienced hurricane force winds across the entire property. We lost anywhere from 10 to 40% of the overstory trees. So our primary and most important management tool here is prescribed fire. And so when we had the significant damage from the hurricane, that produced a lot of fuel on the ground that could have presented problems for prescribed fire going forward. So we started in October, and the bulk of the salvage effort ended in March. We did have a little bit that continued on after that. And in fact, we have one logging crew here now that's doing some salvage work in a planted pine stand. Here at the Jones Center or at Ichauway, most of our forest is what we refer to as a second growth forest, a natural longleaf pine forest. But we do have some areas where we've done restoration, and part of that restoration has been planting trees, either primarily longleaf pine seedlings, but also occasionally slash pine seedlings. Wind events associated with tropical cyclones are part of our history here. They don't typically occur that frequently here as far away from the coast, but there have been hurricanes that impacted this property in history. One of the interesting things that we found in a short time period after the hurricane is that longleaf pine trees appear to be less susceptible to damage from wind events like hurricanes. And one of the other factors that we had going for us is we did have a lot of regeneration or young trees. So hopefully those trees will continue along and replace some of the trees that we lost in the overstory. Other than, the cleanup associated with the hurricane, which has consumed a lot of our time, fortunately we've still been able to continue doing most of what we normally do within a given year. With regards to prescribed fire, we average about 12,000 acres of burning every year, and we've already burned about 13,000 acres this year. With prescribed fire being our primary management tool, we hope to continue doing that into the future.